Here's a tour of my room, 1207. The key holder. As usual, behind the door, there is this information about emergency exits. Here's how the room looks like. There is a mirror. King size bed. There is some kind of painting, not sure if it is supposed to be on the wall or should have been kept like this. There is a sofa. There is one telephone here and another one here next to the office desk. There's a TV which I rarely use, water bottles, paintings, glasses for water. There is a mini bar with some soft drinks and juices. There's a kettle, coffee cups, coffee, tea, sugar, cream. These are chocolates, chips. I'm sure some of them are charged. Yes, probably all of them are charged except the coffee and tea. Place to keep the bags, some decorations, and bathroom is actually open. I can see the inside of the bathroom from the room. There must be some way to close this, but since I'm alone, it doesn't matter. So here's how the bathroom looks like. There's a sink. Not sure why that mirror is though. Some basket, bathroom supplies. There is a shower with all the bathroom supplies, the tap controls, the toilet, and there is a painting here. And what else? There is a coat hanger here. And that's about the room. Looks cozy. Let me see if I can open this and see if there is something interesting. There is nothing interesting except the parking lot. There's no balcony, nothing. It's a basic room, just enough for me when traveling alone. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get notified of my new videos.